Hello everyone and welcome. This is the DC Tech company speaking to you today. In this video we're going to discuss the integration of IMO CRM and Google Calendar for event agencies.
Alright, so let's go ahead and switch over to IMO CRM. Right here we've already got a test deal that's been fully configured and it contains all the necessary information regarding our specific event. To be precise, it's a child's birthday celebration and every single piece of information for this particular party is clearly specified. Alright, let's go ahead and navigate to the settings section. I'll demonstrate and explain how our widget has been configured and then we'll proceed to thoroughly test its operational logic. So the first step is to decide at which specific funnel stage in IMO CRM events will be automatically created and added to our calendar. Second, the event itself. This means we're mapping an IMO CRM field to a specific sub-calendar, for example, one belonging to a particular specialist. So if you go ahead and fill in the field for the animator, specifically animator number 1, then assuming we have a calendar that's been properly matched and set up, the event will be created directly for that specialist 1, and so forth. 2, 3, 4. The total number of specialists we can have is essentially unlimited. Now for the second step, where we define the settings. This is the time interval, which means exactly when the event is going to be created and the specific step it follows. For instance, we can enter the dates right here, the exact time of the holiday, and a duration of 2 hours. This means it is a fixed time. In addition to that, we can also specify the start dates and the end dates. Moving on. Content settings. Here we pass the deal name directly into the event title and its variables. So if the information within our deal is filled out, then this CACAT information will be transferred to our Google Calendar for our animator. So here we have variables which will then be loaded from the IMO CRM fields. So we go into the deal and then we move the deal to the booking confirmed stage. We also select that this particular event needs to be created in the Animator 1 sub-calendar and then we click Save.
We'll wait a few seconds.
A new comment has been successfully attached to our deal, which now reflects absolutely all of the information from the perspective of our custom IMO CRM fields, and all of this information has been transferred directly into our integrated calendar system. So let's go ahead and check it right now to see exactly how it looks. Let's navigate to our Google Calendar and then we'll scroll down. Here we can clearly see that the birthday, the child's event, test 2, and all the relevant information has been automatically transferred into our calendar. So let's return to the deal now. Here we can actually change any piece of information regarding our event. For example, the event might not cost 20,000 rubles as initially planned, or perhaps the down payment isn't 5, but let's just say it's 10. Okay, we'll change the field, then click Save, and this information will also be updated in our calendar. So let's check, it's changed here. Now we'll go directly to the calendar itself. Let's refresh the page. Moving on. Alright, the down payment is 10,000 rubles and also we have a feedback feature. So we use IMO CRM forms to generate a questionnaire. It's filled in a field and this questionnaire also goes to our specialist into his calendar. Let's take a look at how this actually works and exactly why it is needed. That is to say, an employee has organized a celebration, and then once the celebration is over, we need to receive some feedback to confirm that the event happened, such as a photo report. Right here in this section we have a unique link that is attached, which an employee is able to use to access the system through their own personal smartphone or a tablet. Pause, and then the system will prompt them to go ahead and fill out, for example, a full photo report and add some notes or a specific comment. In other words, we can simply write right here that everything went perfectly fine. And also, for example, from your phone, you can take a picture of a holiday, a banquet, or some other event that took place, and there's a photo report. We can also attach a photo here. We select our photo, that's it. Then we click Send. And after that, the report goes to us in IMO CRM. And besides that, we see that a comment was attached, a photo was attached, that is as a photo report, and also our stage changed to successfully implemented, meaning that we held the event and everything is good. So this is exactly how the mechanics of our specialized widget for event agencies actually work in practice. For all the detailed information regarding where you can install it and how you can test it out, and what other types of mechanics we have available for you, I will leave a direct link in the description down below. We would be very happy if you would come to us and try out our widget for yourself. We hope to see you again very soon.